Want to automate tasks on a schedule with Zapier? Here's how to schedule workflow step by step. First, log into your Zapier dashboard. Click Create Zap to start a new automation. For the trigger, search for and select Schedule by Zapier. This lets you run a Zap at a specific time. Choose how often you want the workflow to run, daily, weekly, monthly, or every hour. Then set the exact time zone. For example, trigger every Monday at 9 a.m. Hit Continue to confirm your schedule. Now choose your action app like Gmail, Google Sheets, Slack, or anything else. Set up what should happen at that time, such as sending reports, posting a message, or moving files. Test your Zap to make sure it works. Finally, click Publish to activate your scheduled flow. Done! Your automation is now autopilot, no manual work needed. That's how to schedule workflows easily on Zapier. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.